Lee Gillam is a senior lecturer at the University of Surrey and a specialist in the implications of transitioning to cloud-based infrastructures. Lee, what is the state of security when working on the cloud?
So cloud providers have various security certifications that they are offering. ISO 27000 series is important to them, but a badly set up security system, security of your data being not very well formulated, simply lifting that straight into the cloud will not solve the problem for you. They will not do anything better than you're already doing. If you've got holes in your systems, those holes in the systems will be holes in cloud systems as well. So care has to be taken, even though those certifications are available.
And what are the potential impacts of inadequate security?
Well, data leakage is probably the key impact for those with high-value data. The recent studies in the US and the UK put this value of several billions, hundreds of billions in the US on the leakage of data annually. The UK study kind of blames insiders, so that the data is getting out somehow, even with all sorts of encryption systems put on top of software and on top of data.
And how should broadcast be thinking about protecting its assets?
The priority is probably to identify which of the assets are of high value and, in fact, which parts of the assets are of high value. There are certain steps you can take to limit the impact by separating the really true high value stuff from the things that you don't mind if you lose because nobody can do that much with them. Encryption will get you so far. The question you have to ask is, if it's really high value, do you want it in any system that you have no sight or control over?
So what steps should we be actually taking?
Well, the data risk analysis is probably one of the first. So what is it that needs to be protected? Who is responsible for it? And the question of, if it leaks, who acts upon that information? If it's really truly high value, the last thing you probably want is the work experience student making the decision. You want the people high up in the organisation to put the right kinds of systems and training in at all levels through the organisation, so that information security, data security in particular, is seen as a proper priority.
Lee, thank you very much.
You're welcome.